over these 25 years, I've managed to categorize developers into two different groups. And you might not agree with this, so I'll take my chances. So 80% of developers I've come across are code-focused developers. They love the technicals, they love the elegance of what they're building, and that's definitely their huge passion and what's really important to them. 20% of developers I've come across are business-focused techies. And I'll go into these in a little bit more detail in terms of what I mean the difference between the two. And hopefully you can relate to either one or two of these groups. So the 80%, hopefully 80% of you guys are covered under this area. So some attributes: you're kick-ass coder, you're brilliant at it, it comes naturally to you. Myself, coding never came naturally to me. I was a little bit crap, to be fair, compared to some of the people around me, and so I recognized get out of it, stop creating bugs. So some of the attributes around the 20%, they talk far too much. You're trying to code, you're trying to focus, and they're chatting and they're distracting you, and you've lost your place, and now you have to spend another 30 minutes to get back to where you were at the beginning to understand how you're going to finish your function. They do prioritize business outcomes over technical excellence, definitely. They're looking at how can we get it out quickly, and the different areas of business outcomes, which I'll dive into a little bit deeper. They create a lot of bugs. I used to create a fair few bugs, but not that many. But they do tend to create more bugs in the dev team compared to the technically focused developers, because it's not their focus. But they do think the customer comes first, and the 80% do not. And lastly, they normally get laid on Saturday nights. And that's one of the key differences between the 20% and the 80%. So some of you might disagree. The rest of this session is talking about the 80%. So if you are the 20%, please feel free to go on Tinder and sort yourself out for Saturday. And the rest of you can focus on what I'm about to talk about.